Welcome to this tutorial on how to enhance your privacy and security on WhatsApp web by locking specific chats. In today's digital age, keeping your conversations private is more important than ever, and WhatsApp has made it easier with its latest update. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to WhatsApp web. If haven't already, scan the QR code using your WhatsApp mobile app to link your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Now, locate the chat you want to lock. This could be a personal conversation or a group chat that contains sensitive information. Once you've found it, click on the More Options icon at the top of the chat. This will open a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. From this menu, select Lock Chat. This option will initiate the locking process for that specific conversation, adding an extra layer of security to keep your messages private. After choosing to lock the chat, you'll be prompted to enter a secret code. This code is crucial for protecting your chat, so make sure it's something memorable yet secure. Type in your secret code carefully, ensuring it's correct. Once you've entered your secret code, click Continue. This will confirm the locking process, and your chat will be secured. You can now rest assured that only you have access to this conversation. This feature is particularly useful if you share your PC or laptop with others, as it prevents unauthorized access to your private chats. WhatsApp's commitment to user privacy is evident in this update, allowing you to safeguard your conversations even when using the web version. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your sensitive information remains secure. Remember, keeping your secret code safe is key to maintaining the privacy of your locked chats. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out WhatsApp's support resources. Thanks for watching and enjoy your secure chats.